care to mince his word. The campaign manager for the 2025 campaign. I say welcome. The General Secretary, the medical doctor, next member of Parliament in Westmoreland, Comrade Dr. Dayton Campbell.
Yeah. Comrade leader. Hold it. Yeah. Comrade leader and the next Prime Minister of Jamaica, whether Labourites like it or not, Comrade Mark Golding. Comrade Steve McGregor, the next Member of Parliament for Central Kingston. Comrade Chair, Comrade MPs and members of the Parliament, Comrade caretakers and candidates, comrades all, greetings. I wanted to be here today, despite having a busy day, because I have some things to say. We are about winning an election. I hear some people are complaining like them just want power. Yes, we want power. The purpose of a political party is to win state power. That is the purpose of the party. You cannot implement policies from opposition. You can only talk from opposition. We want to have power so that we can implement policies and programs to uplift the lives of the people of this country. So we don't make no apology for saying we want power. My duty is to steer this party to victory. I don't understand some of the things that I hear going on currently. I was at a function today and I heard the Prime Minister complaining that in 2020 he was taking it easy and other people were out there campaigning. And I said to myself, what a man wicked and lie. That is the person that called the election, that caused people to go out there to campaign. Every time he opens his mouth, he tells a lie. And then you have people out there who want to prop him up and then want to attack the comrade leader without cause and without reason, as if to say there aren't people here to defend him as well. Well, hello somebody, you cannot disrespect the leader of the PNP nor anybody in the PNP without comrades coming to his rescue. How is it that people create all sort of excitement about some trivial matters but have nothing to say when the government give one individual $500,000 3 times in one day whilst the rest of the people are suffering? How is it that they don't talk about that? We don't call no name tonight because we don't want that turning at the story. Cost of living in Jamaica right now is causing people not to be able to feed them family properly. And when we come out and say that we are going to support local farmers so they can go out there and produce, people want to criticize it. Fly high, fly low. We will prioritize local production because Labourites are import evil ice in Jamaica now. We want to increase our production locally. I am very clear in my mind We have gone through a rigorous process, and we now have 63 candidates in place. We have our slate to head into the next general election. We have ensured that we have done the work. And recently, I took a decision that I was going to review the targets that we set for the constituencies. And we have gone out there. Before I got here, I was coming from Portmore, where we are training our campaign managers and campaign admin, because while they are talking, we are working. This political party, we believe it is the best party for Jamaica because of the policies of this party.